What are the steps required to have a goal, or what are the steps that are required to set a goal basically? So I have previous many videos on goals. So in this video I particularly talk about the steps that are required to set a goal, and these steps I have taken from the best-selling book from the best-selling author Brian Tracy. The name of the book is Million Dollar Habits. So let's start. The first step is decide what you want to achieve. Right? Something you want to achieve, the goal you want to achieve. So first of all, have a decision that you want to achieve that goal. The second step is identify and set a deadline by which you want to achieve that goal. Now, it is a very popular saying that a goal without a deadline is mere a wish. Right? It's mere a wish. You have to be at least a specific deadline for that. Number 3 is identify all the activities that are required to reach your goal. All the activities that are required. You can list down that these are the activities that I need to perform, and then you can list all those activities. Then number 4 is planning. Now planning means, since you have written all the activities, now your plan is what is the sequence of the activities that you have to follow and what are your priorities. Means you have to make a plan according to your priority as well as in the sequence wise. Number 5 is identify all the obstacles that you're facing right now to achieve that goal. Identify all the activities, all the obstacles that are in your path to achieve that goal. Number 6. Now, since you have decided your deadline, have all the activities in your line, identify all your obstacles, and make a plan for that. Now the single thing left is take a single step towards your goals. At least do something today so that you can move forward towards your goal. And the last but not least is 7th. It is a do it every day. Yes, I say do it every day. At least do something every day that will help you to reach your goals. Now these 7 steps, if you carefully analyze these things, it's a very good and very good you can say technique towards a goal setting. So in the end, I will conclude by repeating all the 7 steps so that you can remember them. Number 1, have a decision to reach your goals. Number 2, make a deadline. Number 3, identify all the activities that are required to reach your goals. Number 4, make a plan in accordance with the sequence and the priorities that you want to do those activities. Number 5, identify all the obstacles that are hindrance in your progress. Number 6, since you have made all these things, number 6 is take a single step towards your goal. And number 7 is do it every day. So friends, hope you have cleared about and you can learn something from it. That these are the 7 steps that help you to reach your goals or to help you in a goal setting.